Sean Harper was also a lucky recipient of a late tag. He hired Mossback Guides and Outfitters to guide him on this special hunt. I was there to guide with spotters Kalen Lemon and Dean Stevenson. We were showing Sean some tremendous bulls in hopes to find a giant. We've been filming this particular bull for 3 years, watching him grow up into a great bull. What an awesome bull, Sean. Slide one right in there. Hurry. Shoot again. Great job, Sean. The fear for the late bull hunters is to have a bull with busted tines. Lucky for Sean, these were fully intact. Congratulations, Sean.
Thank you very much.
Sean drew the late Pavant tag for 2005.
Thank you, buddy. I'm excited. Good 6x7. Guys spoiled the heck out of me, too.